What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Pinocchio from Shrek. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of a page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle going all the way around and then in, and then line that up on the right. And I'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's go in between the eyes and draw a smaller circle for the nose. And then I'm going to add a leaf on the top left side. So let's start up here, bend this around and then out, come down and then back in towards the point. Now just underneath the nose, we're going to draw a straight line going across the mouth, come down along the sides. Now I want to bend the head going around and then up just beside the eyes. So we're going to start with the left. We're going to go out and then bend that in. Let's go back to the mouth. We're going to step down, draw a straight line going across. Let's connect the chin with a curve going across the bottom and then back up. Now I'm going to go and fill the inside of the mouth in black. On either side of the mouth, let's add two circles for the cheeks. Now we're going to work our way up towards the hair. We're going to bend this up around the eyes and then in. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. And then just up above the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the eyebrows. Now we're going to go back to the side of the head and draw on the ears. Let's start with a straight line going across. Let's line this up on the right. Let's round up the ear, come in towards the bottom, and it'll flatten off the bottom. Let's go back to the ears. You're going to angle the hair going up and out. Go back to the side and curve the hairline going up, go across, and then back down. Now let's add some texture inside the hair. Starting in the middle, start with a straight line. Go back up to the top left. We're just going to taper this out and then down. Line that up on the right, and we'll continue to curve this around and then down towards the bottom. Now in behind the head, we're going to layer a large oval for the hat. Let's start on the left side of the head. We're going to go out, bend this in across the top, going out on the right, and then back in. And then in behind the hat brim, we're going to add that point. Let's start on the left. Angle this up and then in towards the middle. Round this out, come down with an angle towards the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the neck. We're starting on the left side. Let's start with a half circle, coming down and then up. Now from the side of the neck, let's curve the body, going out and then down toward the left, and then right side, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. On the side of the neck, draw two straight lines coming down. Let's curve the bottom and go straight up toward the top of the body. Along the bottom, let's add two small circles for a button. Now just in behind those straps, we're going to draw a straight line going across. And let's go back up to the top, add the collar coming down and then up. Now I add two large circles in the center of the body. Now I want to tuck the lower torso in underneath. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw an oval going around, across the bottom, and then up and in on the right. Leave a large gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and up. Let's go back to the left side, we're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel, and then curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's draw the outside of the leg. We're going to step out, follow that same curve, coming down and out. Now let's move to the center of the legs, draw a curve to separate the knee, step up, draw another curve for the bottom edge of the shorts, and then we'll step down, add another curve for the top of the socks. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start from the side of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, line it up on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket, step down, come down and up with a second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to bend this up and then in towards the outside of the wrist. On the outside of the wrist, we're going to follow that same curve, going up and then in, just underneath the chin. And then we'll round out the shoulders and pull that down on top of the body. From the wrist, we're going to step up, add a curve to the edge of the glove. And then from the top, we're going to step down, add the edge of the sleeve, line that up on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Pinocchio from Shrek. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.